I'm Tony Plummer, I'm the UK Managing Director. The company's got a long history. It was formed in 1919 and the family have kept it in the business until it was acquired by the Swedish Post, or Posten as they're known. And then what happened shortly after that is the Swedish and Danish post offices merged and created a new organisation called PostNord. That's actually our parent company. They're operating in 7 countries, £3 billion turnover. So it's a big enough group, and the UK has been part of the Stralfors group since 1988. So the business used to be known best for lithographic forms printing. So anybody in a bank or a utility or a government office that had a business form that needed printing on, Stralfors were one of the main providers in the whole of the UK. The market, however, changed to go for digital printing solutions that included the colour part to it in one pass. And that's what we've been doing in the last 2 to 3 years, transforming the business from lithographic presses to full colour digital variable output. One of the big changes through the transformation that the whole business has gone through, and particularly the UK in the last 2 to 3 years, is moving away from a forms printer to a full customer communication management solution provider. The thing that Canon really helped us with in this transformation was delivering as a product and a solution that was much more cost effective than the previous versions that Stralfors had worked with before. The model we bought was the Canon ColorStream 3500. The reason we went with the 3500 was because that was the size of volume that we needed at the time. So the other advantage with ColorStream is it's upgradable. It's much more about solution for the customer now. How can we make that page of communication or that document of communication that their end customer is going to receive be more effective? And one of the ways we've done that is we've used colour to highlight particular parts of the document that enable their end customer to understand the document more easily. The reason that the UK went with ColorStream was pretty simple. The group had already installed 5 other of those machines in other countries, and we'd entered into a relationship with Canon on extending those machines in all countries that needed that technology. I mean, the experience of working with Canon is a positive one because they really helped us at the outset with the business case. We had lots of challenges trying to work out how we could justify it. We knew we wanted the technology, it was the right stuff, but what we didn't actually know was how to go about getting the right business case together. And Canon invested a lot of time with us at the front, helping us justify or getting the right costs and the right benefits together for our internal business case. And they helped us a lot with some of the technical parts of the machinery, some of the costs, and also to sell some of the benefits internally. And I'm pleased to say it's been a positive business case so far. And one of the things Canon did at the outset for us is they helped us with some client conferences. So they came in with us to talk to some of the customers. Because when you're new and you buy a new piece of technology, you're not always 100% confident that you know all the things that you need to know, particularly around colour management. And we had good support from the Canon account management team with some clients around how that migration would look and how we'd achieve the result that the customer was looking for. So we did 18 million continuous colour images the whole year last year, and this year we've done that same figure in 1 month. Canon came and did the training on site, and we also brought some colour specialists from our Stralfors group from Finland, and they came along and helped with that process too. And also we got some education around the paper. From an operator perspective, the technology was easy to adapt to. They all knew how to run laser printers or toner-based devices, and they were all familiar with Prisma anyway. I mean, the main changes that we've gone through is really educating the sales guys, because it's no longer just about selling a page or selling a document. It's now about selling a solution. And we needed to get our sales guys fully aware about the range of options that they have with colour. The reliability of the machine is fantastic. We've given Canon a very hard challenge. They've got to achieve 94% uptime. The performance of the machine has been excellent, and I think we're around 96–97% on a regular monthly basis, which is fantastic compared to the competition. It's the same Canon engineers that look after our VarioStream toner-based devices, which is another good thing, because we have a relationship already with the engineer, a trusted guys, who are here within 2 hours if we have a challenge. And normally those fixes are very quick. One of the new business wins, part of the tender process, we had to produce samples from our technology so they could compare that output with the competition. And the feedback we got from the client was that our output and the quality of our output was by far and away the best that they had from the people that they'd asked to tender. So it's a big growth for us. It's definitely been a success factor in us winning new business, and it's been a success factor in us and giving our existing customers the confidence to migrate to that technology.